Presentation outline. Introduction. Elements of SM. 1. Fabrication. 2. Falsification. 3. Plagiarism. Why scientific misconduct occur. Consequences of scientific misconduct. Why research misconduct matters. Research misconduct does not include methods to prevent academic research misconduct. Measures to maintain research ethics and avoid scientific misconduct. Introduction. Researchers are expected to adhere to ethical, legal, and professional guidelines that structure how research is conducted. The consequences that research misconduct can have are considerable and potential disastrous. More importantly, research misconduct can cause the public to lose confidence in the ability and integrity of researchers. Scientific misconduct is the violation of the standard codes of scholarly conduct and ethical behavior in the publications of professional scientific research. Research misconduct or scientific misconduct defined as fabrication, falsification, or plagiarism in proposing, performing or reviewing research or in reporting research results. Elements of SM. Fabrications. Fabrication is making up data or results and recording or reporting them. In other words, fabrication is the practice of generating data without having performed the relevant research. Research findings should not be discussed, shared, or published unless the work has been genuinely undertaken. Falsification involves making changes, for example in the setup or results of an experiment, in a way that cannot be scientifically justified. Falsification. Falsification is manipulating research materials, equipment, or processes, or changing or omitting data or results such that the research is not accurately represented in the research record. Most commonly with the intention of improving the results or removing results that do not fit the hypothesis. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is the appropriation of another person's ideas, processes, results, or words without giving appropriate credit. Plagiarism is the most frequent type of misconduct and major breach of ethics. Plagiarism is qualitatively different from the other two because it does not distort scientific knowledge, although it has important consequences for the careers of people involved and for the whole scientific enterprise. Why scientific misconduct occur. Academic/career pressure. Publication pressure. Personal desire for fame or plum positions. Sloppy science. Financial gain. Inability to determine right from wrong. Consequences of scientific misconduct. Could mean the end to career as a researcher. Dismissal from faculty. Rejection of research grants. Blacklisted, e.g. reputable research organizations and universities refuse to hire, funding sources refuse to sponsor research work, journals refuse to consider any articles for publication. Fabrication may have previously earned academic achievement taken away. Why research misconduct matters. Difficult to be recognized. It is like domestic violence, we did not recognize it, yet we see a lot. It undermines public trust in medical research and health professionals. It corrupts the scientific records and leads to false conclusion. Most countries do not have good system neither for prevention nor for treatment. Research misconduct does not include ordinary errors, good faith differences in interpretations or judgments of data, scholarly or political disagreements, good faith personal or professional opinions, private moral or ethical behavior or views. Methods to prevent academic research misconduct. Ensure policy during academic research not only in paper, but to be followed. Set standards for supervision. Enforce expectations for process rigor. Communicate expectations for accurate accounting of time spent on research activities. Evaluate the strength of your grant. Measures to maintain research ethics and avoid scientific misconduct. Before conduction of research. Develop clear research plan. Submit protocol to ethical review. Prepare well with your research community. Agree on authorship. During conduction of research. Follow the approved protocol. Gain consent. Involve the community. Protect yourself, your team and your participants. Regularly check your data. After research, share your study report. Return something back to the research community. Follow publication ethics. Use reference management software.